Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious flat iron steak, salmon fillet, and garlic butter shrimp. Surf and turf dinner. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients we have a flat iron steak. It's about 8 ounces and we're going to season it up nice. And over here we have a fillet of salmon, right? It's about 6 ounces and we're going to season that up good too. And back here we have 1 pound of extra large shrimp, and we're definitely going to season them up and keep them nice and tender. Okay, let's put our shrimp aside for now. Now we went ahead and pat our steak dry, and the same with our salmon. But let me show you the marbling on this side. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, let's flip it back. And let's go ahead and put a little kosher salt on there. And on our salmon. A little bit of black pepper. And on our salmon, some garlic powder. And we're going to take some lemon pepper and we're going to put that on our salmon. Okay, now go ahead and pat that in. Alright, let's flip everything over. Now we're going to leave the skin on our salmon because we're going to crisp it up today. Okay, let's go ahead and put a little kosher salt on our steak and on our salmon. A little bit of black pepper, some garlic powder, and some lemon pepper. Put that on our salmon. Okay, kind of pat that in. And we'll do our steak. Pat that in too. Okay, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Let's flip our salmon over and see if we missed any spots. Nope, it looks beautiful. Okay, there's our salmon and our nice steak all seasoned up nice. Let's put them aside. Okay, let's bring in our nice shrimp. We're going to make a delicious marinade for that, quick and easy. We're going to add half a teaspoon of Old Bay. Put that in. 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of water, half a tablespoon of oil, put that in, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, put that in. Alright, now you can use your hands, but I'm going to use a spoon to mix that up. Now those Old Bay seasonings and everything in there is going to make it taste good. And the cornstarch is going to help lock in that moisture that we added, right? So that your shrimp doesn't turn to rubber when you cook them. And that's always good. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, there's our shrimp all ready to go. Now all we have to do is start cooking. So let's do that. Alright, let's go ahead and set our burner to medium high. Alright, and we're using our 8-inch Lodge cast iron skillet today. And we're going to put a little oil in the pan. High smoke point oil. Okay, and we're going to let our pan get smoking hot. Alright, our pan's starting to smoke. Now we're going to take our beautiful flat iron steak and we're going to put that right in there, just like this. Now we're going to sear that quickly on that side and then we're going to flip it over. Okay, it's been a little over a minute. Let's see how we're doing. We'll flip it over. That's looking good, guys. Alright guys, let's see how we're doing. We'll flip it back. It's been a little over a minute. That's beautiful, guys. Okay, let's lower our burner temperature down to medium. And let's take our garlic cloves and we'll put them in there. And our butter. Okay, let's go ahead and baste our steak. Boy, that smells wonderful. Okay. Let's go ahead and flip it over and we'll do the other side. Okay, that looks beautiful, guys. Let's knock off our garlic and put it over here. Let's move it towards the center of the pan. Beautiful. And let's go ahead and use one of these, a meat thermometer, and let's see how we did. We're looking for about 128. I don't know if I can show you this in the shot. Alright. 128. Perfect. Okay, our steak's done. Let's go ahead and shut off our burner. And let's get that out of there, and we'll put that right on a cutting board, just like this. Look at that steak, guys. That's beautiful looking. Okay. Let me go ahead and put this aside and let it rest. Let's get our garlic out of there. Now you can wipe out your pan if you want, but I'm not going to do that. If you need to add any more oil, go ahead and do it. But that looks fine right there. And we're going to go ahead and set our burner to medium high. Okay, now we're going to take our nice salmon fillet and we're going to put that in there. Just like this, skin side down. And we're going to let that go maybe a minute and a half to 2 minutes to crisp that skin up. Alright, it's been about a minute and a half. Let's see how we're doing. We'll flip it over. Oh, that's beautiful crust on there, guys. Okay. Okay, it's been about a minute and a half. Let's flip it back and see how we're doing here. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, our salmon's done. Let's shut off our burner. And let's go ahead and get that out of there, and we'll put that right on a cutting board. Right next to our steak. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Can you see that, guys? That is beautifully done. That salmon. Oh yeah. Alright, let's put this aside for a minute and let them rest. Okay, now we're going to clean our pan, right? Just use a paper towel or something like that and go ahead and clean it. Okay, that looks clean enough, guys. Alright. Okay, let's set our burner to medium and we'll put just a little bit of oil in the pan. Okay, now we're going to take all our nice shrimp and we're going to put them in there. Now it's not going to take too long for these to cook. That pan is nice and hot. Alright guys, as soon as you get them golden brown like they are right now, go ahead and lower your burner to medium low. Now we're going to make our garlic butter. So we're going to put some butter in there. It's about a quarter stick. Just like this. Beautiful. Can never have too much butter, guys. Melt your butter. And we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Stir that in. Boy, this is really smelling good now, guys. Okay. Now you don't want to burn your butter or your garlic, and that pan is definitely still pretty hot. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add some parsley flakes. Put that in. Stir them in. Okay, it's smelling beautiful, guys. Yep. Look at that butter. Okay. Boy, don't they look nice, those shrimp? They're perfect. Alright, let's shut off our burner because that shrimp is done. Alright, now all we have to do is plate that shrimp up nicely next to our delicious flat iron steak and our salmon fillet. That's lemon pepper salmon fillet. So let's do that. Alright, here it is, our delicious flat iron steak and our salmon fillet. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look good? Alright, now all we have to do is slice up our beautiful flat iron steak and put it beside our delicious garlic butter shrimp, right? And our salmon fillet. And that'll make a delicious surf and turf dinner. Okay, let's go ahead and take our salmon fillet and we'll put it on a nice plate right there. Look at that, guys. That's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to put this aside for a minute. And let's go ahead and slice this up and see how we did. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Alright, let's see how we did, guys. We'll go ahead and slice it right just like this. We don't want to rip it or anything, but we're going to cut it on the angle. Boy, is that beautiful looking. Look at this, guys. And it is tender. Okay. You can't get much more tender than that, guys. That looks really, really good. Okay. Pick that up. Put it right here. And we're going to take all our delicious garlic butter shrimp that we just made, and we're going to put them right in there. Just like this. And don't forget to dump your butter on there. Alright. And the garlic, right? Perfect. Alright guys, there you have it. Our delicious flat iron steak, salmon fillet, and garlic butter shrimp. Delicious surf and turf. Wow, I can't wait to get into that beautiful flat iron steak. So let's go ahead and have a taste. I'm going to try a piece down here on the end. Get a little bit of that nice crust. Oh boy, is that tender. Alright, let's see how we did, guys. Look at that. Beautifully pink. Nicely done. And a beautiful crust. Okay, let me go ahead and have a taste of this. And I'll let you guys know how it is. Okay. That's delicious. Alright, let's have a bite of our salmon fillet. Just to see how it is, right? We'll get a nice piece. Okay, there's a nice piece. Beautiful looking. Okay, let me have a bite of this. That's delicious, guys. You're going to love this. Just go ahead and make it that way. Alright, now I got to try my garlic butter shrimp. Oh, look at this. Look at that, guys. That's beautiful. Isn't it? Alright. Look at the butter dripping off there. Alright, let me have a bite. I'll let you guys know how it is. That shrimp is delicious. Wow. Okay. Alright, all I can say is that is really, really a tasty meal. And if you go ahead and cook it this way, you know, you can make your steak as rare as you want. I wanted it medium rare here. More on the rare side today. And over here the salmon is perfectly done. And I know the salmon skin is really crispy. I don't know if I can show it to you, but I know it's crispy. Alright, you know what'll go good with this since we're having this for a delicious dinner? You may have guessed this one. I'm having a nice cold wobble pop with this one. And that does sound good, guys. Yep, I just gotta have another little bite of this steak. Let's see how it is. Look at that. Look at that crust. Look how pink that is. Okay. Now you can dip it in your butter if you want. Wow. Okay. Let me have a bite. That steak is delicious. Let me spread this out where you can see it better. Look how pink that is. Okay. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious flat iron steak, salmon fillet, and garlic butter shrimp. What a surf and turf dinner this is. That's delicious. Catch you on the next one.